So yeah, again, I just want to make sure you know exactly how to utilize this engine 100%. Alright, so now we're in the game, and I cannot move. I think I know why. Let me see, let's go back to the player real quick. Yes, okay. Global.convo needs to equal false. That means the engine, or not the engine, the text is not happening. The conversation is not happening. And so the player can actually move. Alright, let's go ahead and restart this. Alright, and I am moving. Let's go talk to Sam. Steven real quick. Pressing E. Have you met my friend Sam? Normally he is funny, but since a lot of things have happened within the town, he has been down lately. Maybe you can butter him up, and we gotta have to fix the fonts as well. Let's go talk to Sam. Have you not heard? This world was once peaceful, but now, well, let's just say, many people do not know how to help people nowadays. Or maybe, I just do not understand why the king would have us on the field doing nothing. It's a break. Alright, let's go talk to Steven. Have you met my friend Sam? Alright, okay, so he's still saying the same thing. We have not buttered Sam up yet. Let's continue. Look, Sam. Let's believe that the king is actually on our side for once, okay? Another break. Let's go talk to this. Have you met my friend Sam? Man, we still haven't buttered him up. Shoot, we better get something good for this. Let's see. You're right. I will close my eyes and hope that that will change the truth. Not really what I was saying, but that will do for now. I see you made Sam feel better. Now, isn't that cool? That is actually cool. Let's continue. Wait, do I have to pay for that? No. Yes, it's all good. Awesome. And now we talk to him again. Have you met my friend Sam? Normally he is funny. Okay, that is an issue. Let's go back and let's fix that real quick. First, we need to make sure all of our numbers are correct. Let's go into Sam real quick, into the draw event. Okay, well this is probably correct because he starts on the right thing. So our conditions are probably incorrect. Let's see. Conditions starting off on 6. Oh yeah, I see. Combo part. This should be -1. And let's go ahead and fix the fonts real quick. Where is it? Here it is. Do that, and let's go back to Sam. And let's remove these as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and test it. And this time what we'll do is we'll talk to Sam first. We'll talk to Sam, we'll get him to the end, and then we'll see if Steve actually starts on I see you made Sam feel better. So have you not heard this word is peaceful, blah blah blah. If you don't know how to do it, look Sam. Just get him to the end of his sentence, but that will do for now. Alright, let's go talk to Steven. Let's see. I see you made Sam feel better. Now that is cool. So we actually unlocked the second part of Steven's dialogue straight from talking to Sam. If we talked to Sam first, we got to the ending. We talked to Steven, we got to his second part of the conversation, and it just kind of makes sense. That means it's not like he's talking from the beginning because you already met Sam. So you don't have to have him go and introduce you to Sam again. But as you can see, I see you made Sam feel better, so that's cool. Wait, do I have to pay for that? Have you met my friend Sam? No. Okay, hold on. Something must be wrong here. Let's go back into here. Let's open up the draw of Steven. 6, 4, convo 1. That is correct. I might have to pause this. Let me see. Oh. Put that to 1. Alright, so let me get to the end of his dialogue. See you. Sam. All right, so yes, it works. All right, so let me go back and explain exactly what happened. So in here, what we did inside of Sam is we had the number part equal the same as the max. Now, the reason why that is a problem is because over here in Steven, draw, when it comes to this whole entire checking part to see what dialogue comes next or if a part is coming up, right here, checking if there is more to this convo and if the player has reached a breaking point. Right here, it is checking to see if convo part is less than convo max. So if it actually equaled the same as, it will actually skip this else if right here, and it will go all the way down to this else. And since there is no hidden event, it will skip this one, and it will go down to the last else, which actually resets the whole entire conversation back to the beginning. So pretty much in order to evade that kind of problem, what you'll do is you'll make sure the convo part is always less than max. And if you have like 5 conversation parts, then you will try to make sure the convo part right here is 1 less than the max. All right, so if we go back into Sam, if you have a lot of convo parts, you do not want to do equal 1. You will do minus equal 1, and that will work just the same. In this case, Steve only has 2 parts, so we are safe doing convo part equals 1. All right, so what else is there that you can do with this kind of text box engine? Well, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to kind of add some dynamics real quick with Sam. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and open up the create event inside of Sam, and let's go down to his dialogue. All right, here we are. And let's get this draw on this side of the screen. So let's see here. What's going on? Have you not heard? This world was once peaceful, but now, well, let's just say, okay, so pretty much it's like he's sad right here. So what we're going to do is for sentence 1 and 2, we're going to actually have Sam speak slowly. All right, so let's go ahead and remember this variable, the scroll timer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put, move that out the way, scroll timer, and this is going to equal 0.2. All right, and so he's going to be speaking a little bit slower. This world is peaceful. Many people don't understand why we're just doing nothing. And then on part 4, let's do this. This right here is going to actually be on the sentence 2, because sentence 2 is this world was peaceful, but now blah blah. So we're going to put him talking a little bit slower here. And in the beginning, have you not heard? That would be fast, like, well, this is shocking news. So have you not heard? So we're going to do scroll timer, and this will equal 0.8. There we go. We'll speed it up some for, oops, I missed the equal sign, for sentence 1. So he starts off, have you not heard? And this goes to, this world was once peaceful, but now blah, blah, blah. Many people do not understand, so on, etc. Look, Sam. Now this is the player, so we're going to return the speaking speed back to normal. Right here. And we'll do scroll timer equals 0.5. Okay, so what else can we do? We can control the dynamics of like how fast the text scroll or highlights. Let's also change the color, shall we? Yeah, let's go ahead and change the color. But how do we do this? Well, that's why we made these variables up here, so that we can change them very, very simple. This is used for the background text. This is used for changing highlight text. So let's go into number 1 real quick, and we do, have you not heard? Let's do SC1. And we'll make that equal, SC1 will equal C orange. We'll do SC2 equals C red. SC3 equals C white, and SC4 will equal C purple. Let's do that. And then for the second sentence, what we'll do is we'll change the colors from this to SC1. And again, I just want to show you a lot of different dynamics that can happen. I mean, this is a pretty powerful Textbox engine, and it's very flexible for so many different kind of things per sentence, per part, per dialogue. It is completely up to you, and just letting you know how a lot of things kind of work, how you can tweak things here and there, pretty simple and easy as well. So we have for sentence 2, which is, this world is once peaceful. We are turning it back to white, green, white, white. All right, so let's go ahead and check that out. Let's see how that works. Oh, and another thing, let's go ahead and change the font. Yeah, because you can also change the font per sentence as well. You can change whatever you want per sentence. So let's use this one. Font Sam Angry. Should we use that one, or should we do? Yeah. Let's do that one. Font Sam Angry. Let's do that. Here we go. We'll do draw set font right here. FNT, what was it? Sam Angry. Do that. And then right here, we'll set it back to normal. Draw set font FNT Textbox. Now, in order for these fonts to actually take place, you'll have to scroll down to right here. And let's go ahead and comment this out. Awesome. All right, so this should actually work. We should have fixed the issue. Change up the fonts. So now we go talk to Sam. Have you not heard? Now that scroll faster is also red, and it is a different font. If we go to the next one, the font should change and it should go back to the original color and scroll at the original speed that we actually gave it. Let's see if that happens. There we go. This world was once peaceful, but now, well, let's just say many people do not know how, and it, oh, I accidentally pressed R, my bad. But as you can see, it was scrolling slow as well. Just like that. That is some nice dynamics. Now we press it again and we'll go back to the player, I believe. We're on the break, so let's go talk to Sam again. Look, Sam. Back normal. That is awesome. All right, so what else can we actually do real quick? Well, let's say above these boxes, we actually want a picture, right? A picture of who it is that is talking. So how do we put that into there? Let's see. Let's go ahead and open up Sam again. Open up the draw. And yes, you guessed it. Exactly like this. On sentence 1, you just do draw sprite. Draw sprite. Let me open up the sprites real quick. It's going to be SPR talk 1 sub 0. Let's see. Where's the box? Where does the box start? Filler. We have it at 120. 170 plus that. So what we'll do is mx2, we'll take this, we'll go ahead and copy this for the x-axis, paste that, and we're just gonna change this from 170 to 200. Just so that we can make sure it's not exactly on the edge of the outer box. And this is only going to be for sentence 1. Now let's go ahead and get the y-axis, which, let me expand this some more. All right, and the y, where does it start? It starts at 120, my2 negative 120. my2 negative, let's do 157. All right, so now we play this, we should have an image appear only on sentence 1, and on sentence 2, it should be gone. Let's make sure we do this correctly. So sentence 1, have you not heard? And see, as you can see, the sprite is right here. And that's pretty cool. Have you not heard? And it's gone. Just like that. So that's cool. And with dynamics like that, you can do a lot of things. You can have a sentence when it's like 3 people that are saying it at the same time. So you simply would just come back into the draw, find the sentence where 3 people are talking, and then just draw all 3 of the sprites. Just like that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, like I mentioned, I'm going to actually create a completely new character from nothing. And we'll see exactly how long it takes. I'm going to try not to talk. I'm just going to go straight through it. I'm going to go ahead and create a sprite, all that kind of stuff, import the files, make a completely functional talking character from nothing. And we'll see exactly how long it takes. I just want you to get a visualization of how long this will actually take you to make a talking character inside your current project with this Textbox engine. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so you talk with him by pressing G. You can talk to him from far away. and he talks very slow. Alright, so I just finished making a fully functional character to speak, and I forgot to do it again. Let's go back into Object Flow real quick, go to the draw, check the draw self. And the fonts. So I just created a fully functional and talking character from nothing. That is pretty fast with this. So let's go ahead and do this. I am pressing E. Okay. Oh, that's right. You talk to him with a different button. Let me see which button that is. I did that just so you can see how flexible you can do this. You can do all kinds of stuff. G. All right, so you talk to him by pressing G, and we can talk to him from far away. So I'm pressing G, and look at that. Hello, did you put me here? And you notice how it was scrolling slow too? No, but you did. And that scroll fast. Look, no need to get smart. Can you please stop talking slow? Listen, I only talk slow because that is what I am doing. And it is a break. Awesome. So now I'll come back. I'm done talking to you. That's the player. I'm done talking to you. I'm done talking. Look at that. That is awesome. So as you can see, there's a lot of things you can do within this text engine. I mean, you have all kinds of stuff. You can change when or how you start the conversation, what button you use to proceed in the conversation, the colors of the scrolling text, the colors of the background. In fact, let's show that real quick. Let's see how that will look if we decide to change the background color per sentence, right? So you can have the player has his own background color when he speaks, and the NPC has their own background color when they speak. So it's similar to how we did the highlighting text. We simply will just take C1 and change what it is we want it to be. Let's do purple. C2, let's go ahead and do C orange, I guess. C3, let's do some lime up in here. Yeah. C lime. C4, let's go ahead and do C white, just like that. And that's only for sentence 2. Then we can take it straight back to the normal. Let's just go ahead and copy, paste this over here for sentence 3. Let me go ahead and move this over. And boom, if we run this again, we should actually have a different background for sentence 2 only. Let's go ahead and press G. Hello, how did you put me here? Look at that, background change. No, but did you? That is awesome. There's all kinds of neat stuff you can do with this. I mean, the possibilities are really, it's so vast. It is extremely vast. That's the benefit of making an engine. As you saw earlier, it did not even take me a long time to create this brand new character from nothing. That is just awesome. So real quick, like I did mention, I'm gonna actually show you a little bit of the project that I've been working on all this time, which is one of the reasons why a lot of videos did not come out as fast as they were. But hey, now you're about to see what's been going on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you like a little test room so you can kind of see where it's kind of going. You know, I'll do that. Let me make sure. Okay, it's loading real quick. All right, so while that's loading. All right, sweet. So I'm starting it up. When it starts up, then I'll go ahead and move over to the other screen. Right now, there's one thing I want to show you. So I have these files already completed for you. If you did not type along with the video series and you actually want this text engine, you can actually just click the link in the description below. And for a donation of any size, I mean, it can be 50 cents, $1, $5, 15, 25 bucks, however much you think this is actually worth. Hey, any donation of any size, you will be able to download both of these files. And these files has been updated. As you can see, it actually comes with 100 sentences. And inside the draw event file, you actually have 100 sentences right here. And it also comes up with 100 parts. So yes, that gives you, wow, so much flexibility for you to do whatever it is you want to do inside your game when it comes to your stories, your dialogue. You don't have to worry about you running out of space and you have to recreate some more. No. I took the privilege of doing that for you already. So all you have to do is pop it in like you saw me do earlier today and go ahead and start writing the dialogue. That is it. And it also comes with something a little bit extra, which I'll show you how to use too as well, a speaker name, which means you can actually just input the person that's speaking. This guy's named Slow. I'll show you how it's done in a second. We'll input Slow in there, and now you can have the person name showing per sentence if you want. You can have a different name per sentence just by changing this variable inside of the certain sentence you're looking for. Yep. Let's go ahead and set that up because it's still loading. My project is still loading. So while that's going on, let's say, let me see, sentence 1. Sentence 1 is him. So we'll do draw text. We're gonna need to do it at 1. It's MX2, so we do it at mx2 minus 187. And then for the y, we'll do my2 minus 150 or 158. Let's just do 157 just to make sure we're kind of like above the box outer side. And then we simply will draw a string, speaker name, just like that. And now on sentence 1, we will see just their name. Let's go ahead and test that out real quick. Let's see if it actually works. All right, so here we are, pressing G, and there it is, slow. Right there. So just that simple, you're able to implement the person that is speaking to show that person's name. Just like that, the speaker's name. Per sentence, per part, whatever it is you want to do. Pretty flexible, pretty vast as well. Alright, so yes, if you download those files, you actually get an updated file. It comes up with 100 sentences, like I mentioned, also 100 editing sentences over here in the draw event, and 100 parts. So you have so much room, so much space to do whatever it is you want to do with your story. Alright, so now the project that I've been working on for some time is actually loading up. And another thing, all the money that you donate is actually going back into the project that I'm working on, because I want to get the project on PSN, PC, and on mobile. Now the mobile export from Yo-Yo Games actually costs a little bit, so hopefully I can raise something off of that as well. But that is where the donation money is actually going to. The game is actually close to being done. It's about around 95% completed. So it won't be too long when it actually releases, which is why I'm kind of trying to raise some funds as well. Demo will be placed out too prior to its release. So I'll also notify y'all of that, which means you should subscribe to this channel and also follow me on Twitter, because I will be linking out some sneak snapshots of levels and stuff like that, some extra little trailers and videos on my YouTube channel. So do subscribe so you don't miss out on that, and also follow me on Twitter so you can stay in touch with updates and news on my current project and also upcoming videos as well. Alright, so it is loaded up. Let's check this out. Oh, now this is actually an input text box. If you want to know how I made this, just let me know in the comments below and I'll simply make a video for it. You have your simple max characters that's allowed, so on, etc. Mainly in this game, I allow the player to name their save file. And done. Now do keep in mind that this is using the same exact text engine that you just built. That is correct. I have a little R popping up at the bottom right corner. I have it stretched at the bottom too. The text doing the same exact thing. Exactly what you're seeing here with the text, you can do also. That is pretty cool. Even have the sprite popping up like that. This is actually a test room that I loaded up so you can just kind of get an idea of what's going on. And I did a nice little fade out. And see, you can even change the backgrounds. That's what I did. I changed the background in the middle per sentence. I mean, the possibilities are so much. So many things you can do with this. Okay, for some reason, there's no music playing. Oh, I loaded the test room. Okay, well, yeah, as you can see, so you kind of get the idea. What's kind of going on. This is the project that I'm currently working on, all that kind of stuff. I also have it to where you can talk to people. Press E when it comes like that. Well, son, I am here to see you off. Be careful on your journey and do come back alive. Don't worry, I will be back. Wow, just like that. I mean, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. So yeah, do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more news relating things about my project as well. And again, like I mentioned earlier, if you want the files and you didn't type along with me or anything like that, or maybe you just want more space that is added to it, then just simply go ahead and click the link in the description below. It will take you to a website that I have set up where you can give a donation of any kind, and the money you donate will actually go back into that project that I just showed you a little bit of. Alrighty, so this is creating a text box engine for your game. Alrighty guys, so if you like the video, go ahead and leave that thumbs up. That really do help me out a lot. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Alrighty guys, it was fun, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Later guys.